for 1 through 4, what they're asking you to do is just looking at the equation, what graph matches this. The really long way of doing this is to actually make an XY table for every single one of these. Plug numbers in, get numbers out, know exactly what points should be graphed, and then find them. That's the really long way. What you should be doing instead is considering the different things that we said make up the parts of a parabola. So if we started with number 1, first of all, it's a negative in front, which means it needs to point down. So it's one of these two. At the end, though, it has a +2, which tells you that the vertex should be up above the x-axis, move the whole thing up about 2 places. So here's the x-axis here. That doesn't look like it's above the x-axis. Here's this x-axis. Looks like it's above. So I would say it's negative, so it's pointing down. It says +2, so it's above the x-axis. That must be number 1. Same thing works for all of these. Now, process of elimination, if this was negative and I said it was D already, when this is negative, there's only one left to choose from. But you could also say, well, there's also nothing at the end, so I shouldn't move it up or down. I shouldn't move it left or right. It should be right in the middle, but pointing down. Well, that's what this does. There's the origin right there, right in the middle, and it points down. Same thing here. Should point up. Should have the whole thing moved down about 4 spaces. That would be here. Here's the x-axis. The whole thing's been moved down. This one, nothing at the end. Don't move it up or down at all, and it should point up. Well, there it is, right in the center. Didn't move it up or down at all, and it points up.